Early in the Colt project, I installed a clutch pedal and clutch master cylinder, but I waited to install the shifter until I had an engine and transmission where I needed them mounted. I have a 5-speed shifter here out of a 92 GSX, but any 91 to 94 would work. The reason I didn't use the 90 cables or the shifter is because they had corroded into a pile of crap, and because the lengths of the cables were slightly different from the ones that I had that belonged to the transmission I'm using. The cables have this rubber gasket and plate where it bolts through the firewall. You're going to need those. The cables can slide around inside of them, allowing you to line things up where you need them. When I test fit the shifter, I had to drill 2 holes because the ones that were there didn't line up on the top. The bottom 2 fit, so I really don't have to do anything with those. The hole where the automatic shift cable went is right here, and we don't need to use that. So I guess I need to find a new place to... Hello? What's this? Well, that's settled then. That was awfully nice of them to leave that on the automatic transmission chassis. I guess there's a joke in there somewhere about having my work cut out for me, and it looks like I got a couple of holes to patch too. This piece of shift linkage came off the 90 front-wheel drive transmission because the original one got damaged, but the other half of the 90 shifter bushing is still seized up on it. A little fire and oil and it'll be good as new. Now that I've got it bolted up here, it seems like there's a little problem. I don't know what car the shifter cable bracket is from, but it's the wrong one. I've got side-to-side action in the right spot, however, I'm an inch short on the forward and reverse throw, making it impossible to shift half my gears. There's a few different styles of these shifter cable brackets on different models of Mitsubishis, so I'm going to look around at the junkyard. What we got here? This is a Galant. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh. Well, it's a manual transmission. Looks like it's got the one I need on it.
What bracket do you need?
The one on top of the transmission.
That bracket?
Mm-hmm. Works every time. I don't know why they put it on in that direction. That was really... That's a pain.
Must have been a Friday.
Sweet. These fasteners are hard to come by. It's a plastic coated washer, and it's got like a little grommet thing on the inside with a spacer, and it's a specific piece that bolts it onto the transmission. So the ones I had were worn out. Grateful to have them. I'll house these. Nice. There it is. Nice.
Sweet.